Hello, this is Ekta from Ekta Collection. I'm just showing again my new collection. Tripti. Is I'm visible and audible? Is I'm visible? Please say hi so that I can start my video. Say hi. Okay, thank you. Please approve my post. This is the kurti in rayon fabric, ethnic kurti. Just have a look. It's the A-line kurti. Look like this. The sizes are M and L. Please have a look. It has the embroidery. It costing only 850 rupees. It's only for 850. This is again a very demanded kurti. We have just launched again. All the stock just came yesterday. It's a very pretty kurti. The tall pupil can wear it with a legging, and if the pupil are short, they can wear it with a red legging. It has all the embroidery on the neckline. It is look like the Angrakha style. The side patti is like this. It's look like this. The fabric is also placed, the printed fabric is placed inside. The whole kurti will look like this. It's a very awesome kurti. I sold many pieces yesterday. Again order came, so we again launched again. So the price is only 850. Mostly all the A-cuts or the anarkalis are of 850, but these are only for festive seasons. Please note, these are only for festive season. So please have a look and take the screenshot and send it on my WhatsApp number. It's 9920878359. It's only for 850 and the size is L only. Only L is left. Very pretty kurti in rayon fabric, having the embroidery. The grey color also I have shown you. This is the right color. Now this is the peachish pink color. It look like this, having the embroidery at the sleeves and also in the daman. I'm just taking it on the zoom mode so that all the people get the clear idea. And the embroidery is so sleek. The threads are so crafted easily so that you can get the clear idea. Please check. I'll show you all the kurtis. Many kurtis we have launched. I try to show you all. So please take the screenshot. It's only for 700. It's only for 700 and the shipping will be charged 50 rupees for Mumbai and for outside 100 rupees, and in 50 rupees the two kurtis you also can get. It's the printed kurti, the striped one. It's a very smart kurti, very pretty. The buttons are being placed on the panelized. The kurti will give this look. It's only for 550. Please note, it only for 550. The printed ones are from 500 to 550. It may vary 50 or this. That day I sold so many. This is now in XL. This is now in XL. The same pattern I have shown in blue. This is the multicolor stripe. 550 only. Please take the screenshot. The fabric is rayon. I am just assuring my fabric. It's a very nice and a very pretty kurti. So please have a look. This is the new launch by us, the ethnic kurti. The full kurti gives this look. You can also close it down by one stitch. At side it is open. It's the longer one which is having the full neck embroidery. Just have a look. It have the ethnic buttons we have placed. The neck is round shape. Very pretty kurti for 850 only. Please note, it's only for 850, but these are only for Diwali offers. Please take the screenshot, send it on my WhatsApp number 9920878359. Right now I'm not replying to anyone, but surely I'll reply to each and every pupil. Please. This is again a new launch by us. This is the tassel we have placed, a very nice tassel we have placed. The neckline is this. Sleeves are like this. The whole kurti will look like this. It's a long pattern. You can team up with the maroon legging or the maroon trousers. It's a very smart kurti. Again, we have supplied to many shops and the boutiques and to exhibitors. Just have a look. Yeah, I don't give to resellers. Please, reseller, don't contact to me. If they want to buy for themselves, please take the screenshot, send it on my WhatsApp number 9920878359. This is only L and XL. This is only for L and XL pupil. Please take. The back side look like this. The printing is so pretty, so nicely done. Just have a look. It's only for 850, 40 to 42 only. Very smart kurti, red. It is having the jacket. I'm just removing the jacket, but the size is only 40. The size is only 40. The pattern we have placed, the jacket pattern we have placed in the daman also, and the jacket is like this. This is XL. This is XL. XL means 42, 42. This is only 42 size I have now. Most of the sizes are being taken by the exhibitors. They are exhibiting their exhibitions. So please have a look. It's only for 850. Nobody can give you this kind of kurti, this kind of fabric at this price. So please be assured about my quality and about my pricing, as we are stockist. So just have a look. This is only for 850. The XL size 42. The laddu lemon color kurti, which is having the jacket, and even the jacket we have placed the lining. Just have a look. It is only 40 size. The whole kurti will give this look. It's a very nice, very pretty color. The combo is orange with yellow. It give a very nice look. Having the buttons, it look like this. The whole kurti give a very ethnic and a very exclusive look. The whole kurti will give this look. I am having only 40 size in this. Please take the screenshot, send it on my WhatsApp number, which will be displaying after this video. It's 9920878359. It's only 40 size left. The price is 850. The real mirror kurti, actually I am getting so many responses for the XXL pupil ki please make or please launch the plus sizes. So this is for plus sizes, 44 size. It is the real mirror kurti, the hot pink color, the straight one kurti. It's only for 850. These are the real mirror, handcrafted. Please have a look. It's very nice, very ethnic, and you can team up with the sharara for these festivals and the upcoming festivals. It's a very nice kurti. Yeah, I have the other color also in this. I'll show you. 44 size only. Please, 44 size pupil. Please have a look. Please have a look. I can't give each and every person on WhatsApp to send the pictures. It's very difficult for me because I am getting more than 54 messages at night only. So please have a look right now. This is only for 850 rupees. 44 size means double XL. The red, the blood red launch, the same kurti with the second color. This is the real mirrors. The full kurti will look like this. 44 size only. Please note, it's only for 44 size people. Please, 850 and the ship. The printed kurti in M and XL for 550. It's the printing, the hand block printing. It's a very nice kurti, very nice fabric. Please, just check. I'm just zooming it. This is the flat gown which is having the hand embroidery, which is having again the tassels at the sleeves. On the both sleeve it is having the tassel. The sizes I am having 42 XL and the 44. 42 and 44. Please note, it's for 42, 44. I think 40 is also there. I'll just check it. Please look. It's only for 950. 950, the big flare kurti. The rayon fabric. The fabric is very nice. Again the anarkali kurti, the hand embroidery, the bell sleeves. It's the longer bell sleeves. Again the anarkali, the very uncommon color. You can team up with the red legging. It's for 950 only. The sizes I am having 40, 42, 44, maybe 46. I need to check the size. But yeah, these are the full set we have launched. So I am having these sizes. Yesterday's has come. That day I have shown you the blue and the pink color. Now the brown color is launched yesterday. This is the full embroidery, which is having the dark brown color. You can team up with any legging, the pink, green, orange, brown, anything. This is the embroidery. This is a very chain stitched embroidery. Even at the sleeves also. All the kurtis that day was sold. So please check. It is only for 850 and ship. 850 and ship. 42 size only. 42 size pupil. Please take the screenshot. Send it on my WhatsApp number. It's 9920 878359. Latest launch, pista green, which is having the kundan. The real kundan had been placed with the gold print. It is XL size pupil. Please look. We have made it in bulk for XL size only. Please check. The whole kurti will give a very nice and a very decent look. It's only for 700 rupees only, and the ship. XL size pupil. The latest launch by us in a ethnic kurti in black shade only. We have made this in black shade. The 40 means the L and the XL size only. It is the hand embroidery. Just check it. It is XL and L. Very nice kurti, very nice fabric that I am assuring again and again. These are not only the online kind of product. These products are mine and been launched by us only. So please be assured about the quality and about the pricing. This is only for 700. It is having the border also. The whole kurti will give this look. I want to show you from front also and from the back and from, so that you can get the clear idea. The product you are getting should be nice. Just have a look. No, I don't have brown color in 48. Only 42 people can contact for the brown shade. It's only 42. It's only for 700. The latest launch by us for this festival only. You can team up with the sharara or the magenta skirt. This is the bell sleeves which is being embroidered. It's not too long kurti. It's the knee length so that you can team up with a skirt. It gives a very ethnic look. It's the silken touch kurti, not the rayon. It's a very different type of a kurti. The sizes I have all. Up to 46 I have all. Mostly from medium to 46. Please look, this is only for 750. At the back also we have done the embroidery. Just look. The neckline is also designed. It's only for 750. The sizes I am having. Now only I am having. The purplish pinkish color kurti in L size. Just have a look. It is having the embroidery. Very nice fabric. It's a heavy kind of fabric. It's a very nice kurti which give you a very nice look. Team up with the white pants. The L, XL, 3XL and up to the 4XL also I have in this. Up to 4XL also I have in this. Please note and send the screenshot on my number. It's 9920878359. It's only for 750. 750 sizes I am having. Please take the screenshot. The mouse kurti with the hand embroidery, the hand needlework we have done. Just have a look, which is having the dots all over the kurti and the embroidery also. All over the kurti it has the embroidery. Just please have a look. All the sizes I am having. Up to 44 I am having. Please take a screenshot. It's only for 650. Only for 650. The fabric is very nice and assured fabric. (44) size kurti in the cotton ethnic. It is having the embroidery like this on the neckline. It's only for 600. It's only for 600. It's a pure cotton fabric. It's only for 600. The size is XXL only. The size is only XXL. Very smart kurti in black, which is having the stripe at the neckline, having the embroidery on the panel eyes. it's only medium pupil and for the L pupil. The price is only 650. The price is only 650, medium and L. And the stripe at the back and at the sleeves end. The kurti is very pretty. It gives this look. The yellow color printed kurti for 550 only. The fabric is high-end quality of rayon. It's the 60-gram rayon. It's a very high-end quality. Just have a look. It's a block printing kurti. 550 only. The size I am having L. The size I am having L. The Georgette kurtis now I am showing you. It's very reasonable, but the sizes are what I am saying. This is the royal blue kurti, XL size. The full kurti is having the embroidery. It is having the full embroidery. The lining is again placed. It's only for 750. Please note, it only for 750. It is having full embroidery. Just have a look at the embroidery. The neck buttons are also placed. Only XL size pupil for this kurti, 750 and ship. These are only festival discounts. Please note. This is a Georgette kurti which is having the Abla mirrors. The Abla mirrors are there. The neck putty is there. It is in Georgette fabric which is having the lining. The 44 size pupil, please take and have a look. The 46 also I think it fits down. Please have a look. It's only for 750. Nobody can give you this type of fabric at these prices. That I am assuring you. Again, in each video I am saying this word as a pet line. The black color kurti which is having the real pearl. It's only for 750. The size is only XXL. Please send the screenshot as I am having this only in one size and one kurti only. As all the exhibitors has taken the full stock. But I want to show you so that you can get the clear idea that what's the pricing we are placing and what's the quality we are doing. So very smart kurti only for XXS style pupil. The 44 size with the pearl work, 750 only. XL size pupil. The collar, having the collar and the ethnic printing. It's the hand block printing which is having some kantha embroidery on the neck. The sleeves are very smart. It's the half cut arm skirt sleeves. The whole kurti will give you this look. So very smart kurti, very reasonable priced. This is only for 700. Please have a look and take the screenshot. It's only for 700. The high-end quality of rayon, very soft fabric. For XL size pupil, the black kurti which is having the patch designed. This is having the patch design, having some kundan on it, having it back also one patch is there. The neon color patch. At the side also there is a patti and a plain patti at the daman. The whole kurti will give you this look. The size what I am mentioning, I am having only that size. Please take the screenshot, send it on my WhatsApp number. It's 9920 878359. The price is only 750. Please note, all the Georgette kurti are of 750. Mostly all the Georgette are of 750. These are only for festivals, as I am having only this size left. This is having the lining also. Yeah, lining we also have placed. Nobody can give you at these prices. This is XL only. For double XL pupil, this is in black kurti. It is having the jacket, but it is attached jacket. It gives a look that we are using the separate jacket, but the jacket is attached. The whole chain stitch jacket is there. The collar is also designed. The back look like this, and the whole kurti will give you this look. It is having a daman, which is again having the chain work. This is for XXL style pupil. Double XL, please have a look. Only double XL pupil can contact for this kurti only. It's only for 750. Please take a screenshot and send it on my number. It's 9920878359. Double XL pupil, 750 and ship. Very smart kurti in the Georgette fabric, geometrical prints, having the buttons, the sleeves. The double XL size pupil can contact me. It's only for 650. This kurti doesn't have any work, so it's only for 650. Double XL size pupil, 650 and the ship. XL size, having this kind of a work. The full kurti has the embroidery. It is having the machine embroidery, not the thread embroidery, but the embroidery is full. The embroidery is full, 750, only for XL, having the lining of same fabric. So very nice kurti. Just have a look. $750 XL size. The real pearl embroidery kurti with having the shivori touch, which is having the shivori touch. This is the shivori print we have placed in. The sleeves also, the fabric is Georgette, 750 only. It is the real mirror and the pearl work done. 750 for XL size pupil. Please take the screenshot, as I am having only one kurti in this size. Please. I am having the sky blue color, the same pattern in the shivori, the very nice color, very soothing color. 750, real mirror, real pearl, XL. Having the lining. Yes, it is having the lining. I can't reply right now, but surely I'll reply you after some time. After this video, I'll surely reply. Very smart kurti in Georgette only, which is having the collar patti, the buttons. Very smart kurti. It's a very smart kurti, which is having the sleeves like this, which is again having the embroidery. I'm zooming the embroidery so you can get the clear idea. The neck patti also has the embroidery. It's having the embroidery. Having the buttons, which is handcrafted, again has the same embroidery. The golden pant will look awesome on this kurti. XL size pupil, 750 only. It's a very soft fabric. All are of Georgette. Now I am showing all Georgette kurtis. This is the bandhani print kurti in lemon yellow. XL size. This is the bandhani and having the embroidery. So having the bandhani print on the georgette fabric. The printed georgette is there. The sleeves having this panel, having the lining also. Just have a look at the near look. This is the georgette kurti, XL size only, 700. It's only for 700. Very smart kurti in royal blue, having the neckline design like this, having the zip at the back. The whole kurti will give you this look. All these design I have made only for the exhibitors and to the boutique. So I'm just showing you so that you can get the idea that how much price I have placed in these type of kurtis. Only for 750. The size is only XL, georgette fabric with the lining, with the embroidery, and very nice and a very clean embroidery. The whole kurti will give you this look. 750 XL pupil. Only the royal blue color is only there. This is the printed check kurti only for 650. The printed ones are from only 500 or 550. It's only for 550. Having the buttons, the panelized. The size I need to check. I am having the size 550 only. Size I am having, I think it's this is XL. I am having L also and double XL also. No medium, L, XL, double XL. The printed kurti, home washable, the machine washable kurti. You can put it in the machine, no color will come out. That's my guarantee on this type of the printed ones. That day I have shown you the medium size. This has come in the XL because that day most people has contacted from me for this kurti. This is having the golden print, which is having the embroidery. That day also I told you that this color is very in now in fashion. So very uncommon color, very nice fabric. Only for 700. This is for XL. XL only. My mobile number is 9920878359. Yeah, XL size. The chest size is 42. The ready chest size is 42. I am saying the ready size. This is a very smart ethnic kurti in black. This is having the printing and the mirror also we have placed. These are all the mirrors, the printing. This is only for XL size. Please have a look. The full kurti will give you this look. It is the open one kurti, not the closed one. Having the sleeves like this. The back also have a little motif at the back. Only for 650. 650 rayon fabric, XL size. Most of the designs I am showing you are all new. So please have a look and take the screenshot. It's very difficult as we have not clicked any pictures. So on WhatsApp I can't send you the pictures as these are all new patterns which I am showing. The striped one having the hand embroidery on the side neck. The buttons are being placed. The sleeves, the full kurti will give you this look. Very smart kurti. It's a very good, nice fabric. Only for 650. 650 sizes I am having all from L to 46. Please take the screenshot, send it on my WhatsApp number 9920878359. Please take the screenshot, send it on my WhatsApp number. The very nice kurti. Again I am assuring about the quality. The lemon kurti, which is having the golden print, and the red lining on it, which is having the buttons. This is having the kantha work. Just have a look. It's a very soft fabric. I am just assuring you about the fabric. This is a very nice kurti. Only for 650. The size is, again I am having XL. The XL size pupil, please take the screenshot. The shade is very nice. This is the real shade. Very pretty. The golden prints on it. XL size pupil, 650 only. One of my favorite long one kurti. Very nice color. The parrot green shade, which is having the embroidery. This is all the embroidery, which has done so nicely done. Just have a look. It look a jacket. It give a jacket like a look. Also the back we did the embroidery. Just have a look. The whole kurti will give you a jacket look. The full kurti, it is a long one. The A-shaped kurti now very much in fashion. That day I am getting so many messages for A-cut. So now I am showing you all the A-cut kurti. This is not anarkali. This is a A-cut. You can wear it as it is. No legging is required. The fabric is rayon. Very nice fabric. The front embroidery, the back embroidery, and the costing is only 850. These are only 850 now due to Diwali only. The size I am having is L and double XL also. The double XL pupil also contact me for this kurti. The indigo print kurti, which is having this kind of embroidery on the neckline, only 650. This is the embroidery. Just have a look. These are having some pom-pom at the sleeves. All the printed kurtis. This is only for 650. The sizes I am having XL and double XL. XL, double XL I am having. Please take the screenshot. Send it on my number 9920878359. These kurti are of assured quality. Please. Very smart kurti starting from medium to double XL. The printing is hand block printing. Just have a look. It's the hand block printing. It's the hand embroidery on the neck. Having the pocket at the side, collar. The whole kurti will give you this look. $650 only. $650 in a heavy rayon fabric. One of the best kurti which I liked most is this kurti, which is having the yoke, having a very different designing as we have supplied to all the boutiques pupil. Only L is left now. This is having the panel at the side. the blue patti in the middle, and again the panel at the side, having the work at the front and at the back. Again the same patti we have placed at the back. It's a very ethnic and a very smart kurti. Only for 650, L size pupil. Please take the screenshot and send it on my number. It's a heavy rayon fabric. Very pretty kurti in the hot green color. The size I am having only medium. Medium to L it may go. Medium to L it may go, which is having the buttons, the peacock buttons we have placed. These are the peacock buttons, which is having the kundan, only for 650. Only for 650, the whole kurti will give you this look. The fabric is very nice, very soft fabric. The cotton denim silk kurti, very smart kurti, which is having the the golden lining on the neck, the high neck collar. The whole kurti will give you this look. This is the sleeves design, the golden printed sleeves. The whole kurti is look like this. It's only for 700. It's the denim kind of a kurti, but in a cotton silk. It's a very nice fabric. The sizes I am having from medium to double XL. Medium to double XL pupil, please contact me for this kurti. 700 rupees only. The raw silk kurti for the festivals. It's the raw silk, which is having the golden prints. We have supplied to West Side also this fabric. The whole kurti will give you this look. You can team up with the sharara or the skirt. Only for 650. Only for 650. The golden lace also we have placed at the neckline. It's the printing on the hands. Back side look like this. So raw silk. Nobody can give you these kind of kurti at these prices. For prices, be assured, and for the quality also be assured. The full kurti will give you this look. L size, XL, and also I am having 52. 52, 52 also in this kurti. XL kurti, which is having a very nice hand embroidery. So very different kind of embroidery. We did it at the one side and a one motif at one side. The sleeves will have a shirt patti. The whole kurti, it is a mehndi green color. Yeah, it's a mehndi green color. Very nice color, very uncommon color at 650 only. The fabric is rayon. The size is XL only. This is for medium size pupil. Please have a look. I check it. I think I have also L. The full set will go on to the shops. This is having the neck. And the patti at the side also. The both side, the front and the back. This kurti will give you this look. The whole kurti will give you this look. Only for 700. This is only for 700. This is for medium size pupil. We have placed the pocket at the side also. This is the khadi kurti, which we have supplied to most of the Indianized shops like Fab India. You just have a look. The full kurti having the buttons at the side it is opened, so you can team up with the leggings. It's a very nice fabric which is having the cullis at the side and at the front also. It's only for 650. 650 medium size pupil, please contact for this kurti. Again the khadi kurti in L size only I am left. Check, this is a very nice shade which is having the embroidery. The neck is full embroidered. I'm not replying right now, but I assure you that I'll reply to each and every person on the WhatsApp and on the live video. Please be assured, because I want to show you all my stock, as these are the Diwali discount. It is again having a pocket at the side. 700 only, the khadi print kurti at the back, at the front. 700 for L size. Bigger size I also want to show you, but the time is the constraint. It's the very nice color, very soothing color. Just have a look. It's only for 650. The printed kurti, very nice fabric. Buttons are at the neck, only for 650. No codes, sorry, no codes, as these are my products, so I can't give codes. Very smart kurti, L size only I am left. It's the cream kurti which is having the embroidery. 650 for size L. 650 for size L. XL size pupil, and even I am having 48 also. 48 also I am having this same pattern. I am having 48 also. Please have a look. It's a printing with the embroidery, with the mirror. In the panel it is placed, and at the side it is plain. The whole kurti will give you this look. $650 for the size XL. XL size pupil, it's for 650, and 48 for 750. The size matters. The beige kurti, very smartly handcrafted mirrors, which is having the embroidery. The printing is unblocked. It's look a very nice look. The whole neck is being fully crafted. Sizes I am having XL only in this. 650 for XL only. This is the printed kurti, one of the best kurti, which is having the bell sleeves. Just have a look. It is having the kantha all over highlighted. This is for 650 only. The size I'll check it out. Maybe I am having, this is XL. I am having L also in this, and double XL also. Just have a look. 650, and the shape printing, the front and the back. XL size pupil, please have a look. It's a very nice kurti which is having the buttons and having the printing. 650 only. Very pretty shade which is having the printing, the hand printing. 650 only, having the work also. This is having the work also. 650 only. The size I am having XL. XL only in this. Hand block kurti which is having the neckline design like this. This is 650 only. The whole kurti will give you this look. Nobody can give you at these prices. Please be assured and take the screenshot. I am having only these sizes left. The XL size pupil, very smart, very hand block kurti with the kantha work, the front and at the back the same. The pocket is also there. It's only for 750 as it is a khadi cotton. No lining is being required in this as it is white, but the fabric is thick. The hand are like this, very pretty. Just have a look. 750. XL size, the printing 550 only. XL 550. XL 550. It's the ethnic Rajasthani type of a kurti which is having a very sleek embroidery. The whole kurti will give you this look. It's only for 600. 600 cotton fabric and only size is XL. XL. The yellow check one kurti having the embroidery. XL size only. 650. 650 XL. XL which is having the printing. And having some work on the neck patti. The full neck patti has the work. It is only for 600. It's only for 600. XL size pupil. Please take the screenshot. It is the sand wash shade. These are of 46 size. The sky blue kurti, the little darker shade, having the embroidery, having the bell sleeves, embroidered bell sleeves, only 750. 46 size. Double XL, having the hand embroidery of the seep work. It is having the seep work. All the embroideries is having the seep work. The printing is very fine, very nice, and the patti is also being placed. It is for XXXL. That means double XL 44 size pupil. Please contact me for this kurti. This is only for 750. I am having other color also. Rust color. The rust color. Just have a look. XXL pupil 750. The two shades only, front and the back, and the printing and at the side. For the XL, this is the Jogia color. This is a kind of a Jogia color, the orange, the hot orange color, which is having a grey type of embroidery. Very sleek embroidery is this. This is only for 650. 650 XL. XL 650, having the hand wooden buttons. 650 only for XL size. Mehndi green color, uncommon color, very nicely crafted with the embroidered motifs. These are the motifs which are being designed. 650 only. This size will fit to double XL also. This size will fit to double XL. It has the margin, so the double XL pupil also can contact me for this kurti. This is only for 650. The yellow kurti 550 only for double XL. Sorry, it's XL. XL. Best baby pink color kurti just launched. We have launched this kurti new. This is a baby pink kurti, 750 only. The hand is again embroidered front and the back. Very nice kurti, having the yoke at the neck, the buttons. The whole kurti will give you this look. It is having the fintex all over the kurti. 750 only. Very nice parrot green kurti, which is having the hand embroidery, the hand seep embroidery. 750 only. This is for 44 size. 44 size. The hand mirror kurti, the shivori print, the hand cotton kurti. It's only for 700. Double XL size pupil, orange kurti, having the yoke full design. 700. Double XL, 650. I don't have the pics, please take the screenshot. 650 only for double XL size. 650 only for double XL. It's the printed rayon, a very nice, very soft fabric. This is 650 for double XL. The other shade is this. The pink I've shown you. The other shade is orange. 700 only. The yellow kurti, which is having the hand blocked and having these kind of note work. 650 only. The sizes I am having L, XL, double XL. Please take the screenshot. Only for 600. The hand embroidered kurti, the neck panelized. 650 only. 650 only. The size I am having double XL. Pista green kurti. I have shown the pink also in this. Double XL. It is double XL. 750. 650 printed kurti in double XL. The real mirror kurti, the full is having the mirror. It's only, the size is only XL, 750 only. The price is so reasonable. You can't get these type of a kurti at these price. 750, the hand mirrors. Now the time is getting over. So this is the last one which I am showing you. This is the brown kurti, which is having the mirror, having the bell sleeves. 750 only. The size is double XL. The size is only double XL. Thank you. As much as I can show, I have shown you all. So I want a good response from you all. It's a nice that I am getting so much orders and so much reply from you all. Thank you, and thank you Tripti for giving us. I am again and again thanking will be a very short word for the Tripti for giving so much lady entrepreneurs big platforms for showcasing our products. Thank you Tripti, and thank you all my audience and all my clients who are giving me again and again order and my appreciating all the products. Every time you all have been ordering me, it's been a very great pleasure for me. Again I will be live and let you know. Thank you all.